Hey there. Today we'll be discussing the differences between Chapter 11 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies, which are a form of a repayment plan. With Chapter 7 bankruptcies becoming increasingly difficult, let's dive in and explore what sets them apart. Chapter 11 bankruptcy is not for the average person. It's designed for people with a lot more debt than the average people have, and it offers a way to make debt more manageable through means other than selling the assets. To qualify for Chapter 11, you must first qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, as both are governed by Section 109D. This type of bankruptcy is intended to provide flexibility for people and businesses who intend to pay off their debts. It does not require a trustee, but it's legally complex, so it's important to talk to a lawyer if you're considering it. On the other hand, Chapter 13 bankruptcy is designed for working or middle-class people who don't want to liquidate their assets. If you qualify for this type of bankruptcy, which most people do, the court-appointed trustee will create a payment plan, usually 3 to 5 years, to pay back your debts. You will give them money every month to ensure that your debts get paid on time. In some cases, people can negotiate a lower amount of debt in the Chapter 13 process that gives them less money that they have to pay back over time. The real benefit of Chapter 13, though, is that it allows you to stop the harassing phone calls and letters, providing a breathing room and some distance between you and your creditors. So what are the key differences between Chapter 11 and Chapter 13? Chapter 11 tends to be less structured, but also more expensive. It's generally an option for people who owe huge amounts of money in personal debts, rather than those who simply cannot keep up with the payments on more reasonable debt. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, on the other hand, is highly structured but relatively affordable, intended for the average working person. Another key difference is that in Chapter 13, a trustee is in charge of making a plan for repayment and ensuring that you comply with it. Most people will need to file a Chapter 13 rather than a Chapter 11. The high cost and low stability of a Chapter 11 bankruptcy make it a generally better choice for individuals. However, both options are excellent for people who want to file bankruptcy without liquidating any of their assets. And those who wish to have a little bit more time, they'll get it because they can pay back their creditors over the long haul. I hope this was helpful today in understanding the differences between Chapter 11 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies. If you have any questions, please seek the advice of legal professionals. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our office or go to our website, Bankruptcy Lawyer Frisco.